Hello guys, welcome to our channel Code with Arun Char. Today I have a surprise for you just to kickstart with an e-commerce project. If anybody wish to create a phenomenal e-commerce website with almost no efforts, that is the right place. I brought you a Laravel e-commerce website and a package called Bagisto, super popular in open source community, and through this you can create a website with almost no effort, something like this you see on the computer. Let me show you how it looks like first on the computer, then on the mobile phone, then I'll let you know. Within 10 minutes you can create something like this. I repeat, yes, in 10 minutes. Let's check out the website first. So that's the top bar, menu bar. It has the option of search, even search with the picture. You can click a picture or upload a picture and search with that. Compare, cart, login option, slider, deal, maybe categories. If you click on the categories, it filters the data. Let me click on it. It filters the data. And matter of fact, this is a one page application, single page application. It does not load the page. I mean, technically it's using Vue.js for the front end, which is a great and phenomenal thing. You can filter the data and the page is not even loading. You can see that the products got changed, but the page did not load. This is amazing. You can filter the data on the size, colors, brands, so many things. If you click on the product, it shows the product detail page, something like, let me open the shoe. This, you see that? It has the option of colors and sizes, almost all the world class option available. You click on buy now, check out, add to cart, compare, even share this directly to WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook, email, description, additional reviews option there as well. Users can get the reviews done. Now, if you click on add to cart, you see it goes to the cart. Let me go to the cart page, a pop-up notification. Let's go to view cart. You can apply the coupons. You can increase or decrease the quantity. So many features. Let's click on checkout. The checkout has a beautiful page. The menu has gone just to focus on the checkout. Then you can have multiple addresses. Then you can choose the shipping, whether you want a fast shipping or free or paid, whatever. Then you have the payment option, cash on delivery and PayPal and bank transfer, and you can add more payment solutions. So this is a top-notch solution which could be suitable for any sort of e-commerce business. Now, if you take a quick glimpse on the cell phone, this is how it looks on the mobile phone. It looks exactly like an application. Looks good, feels good. It does the job. Now, you see that? Let me click on any item. It shows the item detail page, description, multiple image, zoom effect, selection, and everything is here. Search, you can search anything, and it is a great website, guys. You see that it shows the search results. It has the filter option directly here. It is sorting option and whatnot. So if you want to create a website like this, I'm not going to bore with all these things. Let me tell you how it works, how you can make something like this in 10 minutes using Laravel and Bagisto package. So what you're supposed to do, let me close this page and come to the Google and search Bagisto, Begaisto, and you're going to type GitHub. Since this is an open source package, we can get it directly from GitHub. Now, if you see, it has over 14,000 ratings, almost 15, and it's a good to go production level software. So come a little bit down and click on installation guide, and you can check the requirements before you install just to make sure you don't see any situation while installing. Read the documents. Guys, many times I see my folks are getting problems. They are not even reading the documents. So make sure, check this document. Everything is here, right? So let's come a little bit down. It says you want it, get this command and get it done. So you don't have to install Laravel. I repeat, you don't have to install Laravel. This package comes with Laravel. So I did copy the command. Let me come to my computer, some folder. I'm gonna delete the old one. Let's open the command line and I'm going to put this composer create project Bagisto, and it should run. Now, this might take some time. I'm going to fast forward the video a little bit from here. Perfect. Now, this command is done. Now, let's come to the next command. It says you got to install it. PHP artisan Bagisto install. We got the package. Now, let's shift to the Bagisto folder. CD Bagisto. Let me clean the screen and let me install it. Now it can ask a few questions. What is the name of application? Let me say Bagisto. App URL. Let's go with local. Time zone. I'm from India. Let me choose my one. Now it is giving some more option for languages. So I'm gonna choose EN for English. You can choose accordingly. Then it'll say, hey, what currency, default currency you want? Mine is India, so I'll choose Indian rupee, which is INR. INR. And it'll say, hey, it allows locales, so you can change the language. So some sort of language switcher. So I don't want it. I'm gonna say none. Now it says allowed currencies. It you could have multiple currencies, but I'm gonna stick with the one. And it says, hey, what database you want? It has only one option, which is MySQL. I'm gonna hit 0 to get started with it. It says database host, which is fine. The port is fine. It says database name. I did create a database by the name of Bagisto. It's a blank one so far. Let me choose this one. Then prefix with database. Let's no prefix. Username by default, if you are installing it locally, the username gonna be root. And if you did not set up an additional password in your XAMPP or whatever WAMP, it's supposed to be blank. I'm hit enter and boom, magic happens. Guys, an interesting fact about this Bagisto, it has over 160 migration tables. That is right. Yes, that much. Now, from this point, when I was testing it, I got stuck and it took forever. It was not going. If it takes more than 10 seconds, don't lose your heart. Just press Control and see it. It can close it. I'll check it. Then I'm going to say code space dot. Let's open it into VS Code. Then let's go to the database. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna click on Bagisto and yes. Now if you see it has created one user, which is in admin. Now, interesting fact, the users have a different table, right? And the admin have a different table. If you click on admin, if you see that it has created a user and a password for admin. Now, some of guys might get puzzled. Now, if you scroll down documentation, we come here, it'll show somewhere, it was there somewhere. What is the default? Yes, that is the default login credential, guys. Let me open it to a notepad. You can take a screenshot or something, pause the video. So the default username to log in into the admin panel is admin@example.com and the password is admin small number 123. Close the screen, write it down. Now let's go ahead and clean it, PHP artisan serve it, and let's see how does my brand new website looks like. I'm gonna copy the link. Let's come here and paste. Perfect. Yeah, it is talking my language. Now, if you see, initially it might take some time. For front end, it is using Vue.js, which probably a single page application in this case. I'm going to have to check it out. Now, we have a slider, we have a logo, some images here and there. If you knew Vue.js, you can play around, else you can check the documentation. Now, this website is a ready-made website because it has the back end, the front end, both. For demo purpose, I'm going to go ahead and create a brand new product. Let's check it out how we're going to do that. I'm going to come here and /admin, the name of the domain, which is localhost admin. And it's going to bring us the login page for admin. admin at example.com if you're retail, and the password is admin123. Let's view. Yep, should work. Sign in. Now, guys, this is the admin panel. We did not do any extra efforts. All we did, install the package, and everything is good to go. I do have a front end, I do have a back end, and it has a night mode. I loved it. Day mode, night mode. Let's keep in the night mode or whatever you like. So guys, from here, you can switch to you can go to my account, change your password, notification bar. You can directly go to the website from here. Now it has a whole lot of option. Let's check it one by one. I'm gonna make it a little fast. I don't want to waste your time. So it has general content design. You can change logo, magic AI maybe. You can write content through AI. Product options, you can view how does it look like, or product details, compare option and whatnot. Let me make it demo. It looks more good now. Now, within config, you can configure the inventory and templates and settings and captcha, notification, email, shipping method, payment modes, order settings, invoices, taxes, checkouts, and whatnot. So many features. Settings could have local, currency, exchange rate, inventory sources, channels, user role, themes, taxes. Reporting could have sales and customer reporting. Marketing could have your coupons. CMS could have the website pages like about page, content, maybe privacy policy page, and customer could have a customer list. And the interesting part is that you can create a customer from here directly, and you can create orders for customer without letting them know. I mean, technically, it is a sort of point of sale POS. Now, catalog has the sales and catalog and dashboard. Now, if you wanted to create a product, let's create a category first. Go to catalog and categories. Let me say create new. I'm gonna say man. Let's give a name. This is a demo category, right? Then we could have an image for the category. Let me pick any from my computer. It could have a banner when you filter the data on the basis of category. That's the banner image. Title, slug, and whatnot, SEO things. Position, let me say one. Display mode, product category, description. Let me see product and visible in menu. Yes, that's a great functionality. So this category gonna be shown in menu. And filter, price, color, size, brand. Easy peasy. Save, category's been added. And it's talking our language. So smooth. Now I'm gonna go to products, then I'll create a new product. And initially it is asking simple, configurable, virtual, grouped, downloadable, bundle. Wow, man. I could not even see that much option in my WooCommerce website. So as of now, you can explore it, guys. Check the documentation. If you see a situation, comment and I'll work on it. For the sake of simplicity, I'm going to choose simple product, default, SKU number could be anything, whatever you want. Let's go further. Let me open any dummy website. So let me open a WooCommerce website so I can add any dummy product. Let me open any product. I'm gonna pick this name. Ignore guys, this is just for demo purpose. So I'm gonna product name, English, text option is there, category option is there, color, size, brand, so many options. Let's pick up the description from right here. There we go. Description is a short description. Then let me make this one is a little bit shorter. That's a short description. This is editor. You can play around, inject accordingly. That's the full description. Then meta description for SEO, good for health. Let's add few images. One, two, three. You can even add the videos. Wow, man. You can add related product, upselling, cross-selling. Wow, whole lot of features. Right hand side, you could add a price. Let me say 1,000 post. Let's say 200. It's going to show the profit margin, I guess, that you saved 800 on this product or whatever. Then special price, let's say 799. Even you can run the sale. It will decrease the price for certain time of period of time. Let me pick from today till upcoming 2 weeks. Shipping details, length, 21 centimeter, 50 centimeter height, 30, whatever you want. Weight is mandatory, zero point 0.5. Settings, new product feature, visibility, status, and this is something which I loved it. So many times we have seen on website, you're supposed to log in order to create a product. I mean, make an order. But if you check guest checkout here, the user doesn't have to be logged in. They can anonymously buy this product and make the transaction. You literally can control from here. It's just a matter of click. Inventory, you can manage the stock. I'm not going to do that right now, and I'm going to choose the category which I made. Go up, click on save product, and it should be done. One little problem I'm seeing, the image is not visible. Let me tell you how to fix this. Easy hack. Go to the code base env file, and in the app URL, we do not have the port. I have added 8,000 since I'm using 8,000 port. Let me refresh, and image supposed to be right here. Did you see that? How easy is that? So I successfully created a product. Let's go to the website and check it out how it looks like. First thing, it came on the menu, which it was supposed to be. Let it open. And locally, it's taking some time. I don't know what's the reason, or it's my computer. Anyway, it shows up. Now see that it has menu. It could filter the data. Then we have the categories here. You can click on filter the data. You can click on the product. Let me click on the category link. It filters the data by the category. And this one is the banner image which we were adding. Well, you can control that too. Here's the product. We click on the product. We have the sale price, 1,079, right? Till the sales period time. Short description, compare option, and description, reviews, and whatnot. Guys, this is super simple. Trust me, I have made so many websites on different technologies, and this is one of the easiest solution I am realizing. Now, if you guys have any question, you can ask me, and I will try to answer all of them if I could. Guys, please subscribe. This is very important. I wanted to share my knowledge, whatever I know, to more and more people, more students. Let's grow together. Let's go ahead, subscribe, allow notification, and I will try to keep posting new and new videos on HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, Tailwind, JavaScript, Laravel, PHP, and all these things. Thank you so much. You have a good one. Cheers. Bye for now.